Alright guys, welcome to another video. I don't know where this day is gonna take us. No specific plans today, so let's just see where this day takes us. It's a bit heavy. Is there anything? Okay.
Go get the big line. The hogfish here.
Ooh.
Can you go get the big line?
Alright. Alright. I got the bag full of lines. Now I gotta rush back. I wasn't sure. I just took the whole bag.
Yeah, that's one.
Okay. You coming down? I think so. Okay. Alright, coming. I didn't know which one you wanted, so I just took the whole bag. Oh, there's a lot of fries.
Huh?
A little out of breath. Nora, say hi. Hi. Was it big?
Yeah.
That was sad.
It's gone. Didn't have it?
Okay. What?
Did you bring a knife?
Let me check. Whoa! What the hell? Oh my gosh! Good job, Fugly! Whoa! Wait, what did you need a knife for? Ah, good job! Oh my gosh! It's been whoa. It's been a while since we had a hogfish. Good job, Fugly!
Yeah.
Mom's super happy. Oi, Ma, ingat. Wow. Nice. Mom's super excited.
Wow.
Take your time.
It's so big! Go!
All right.
Alright.
Why you keep farting?
I'm not farting. You are.
Look how big he is.
Yeah. You think Mom would want the liver?
Ooh, it's got a little bit of fat.
Ooh. You want the liver? Okay. Don't break the liver.
Huh?
Don't break the liver. Nice.
You want the teeth?
What's that?
The teeth inside.
Fuck. Cool.
It's like inner teeth.
Oh, cool. What the heck?
So when it swallows the clams, it can crunch the clams.
Oh, does that make sense? Yeah, they look more like molars than anything. Nice, good job, buddy.
Did you bring the liver? Yeah.
Cool. Awesome. Let's go fishing now.
Huh?
Let's go fishing. Alright, hey guys, so here we are at Horseshoe Bay Beach. It's the most famous beach in Bermuda. I got this white sand, oh my gosh. Yeah. Alright, let's go. Alright, I don't think we can fish here today. I mean, we can cook here today. So many people.
At Warwick Long Bay, Jasmine is out for a while, so yeah, we just started the chicken barbecue while waiting for Jasmine. So guys, we're gonna be coming soon. We're gonna start our catch and cook. We got hogfish today to be cooked. Okay.
Hey guys, so here we are in one of the beaches located at Chaplin Bay. It's a nice little cove. Alright. Say hi. Hi. Cool. Alright. So here we are, we're gonna cook the hogfish today, and we're basically just gonna bake it in the barbecue. Look at the hogfish. Yeah. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put garlic, tomato, cilantro, ginger and lemon all over it. Alright. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna score some lines over it. Just 3? Yeah. Okay.
What are you doing? Massaging the bay?
No. So mom's doing the scoring. Okay. Alright. Some garlic in there. Other side, same thing, salt, pepper, garlic. Basically throw everything over. Alright.
Take the lemon away, no?
Yeah. Cool. Then some lemon. Alright, so that's about it for the outside. Yeah. You might should put a couple more salt, maybe later. Alright, now we're just gonna do the filling. The filling will just be a bunch of onions. Should we do all of it or just? That's enough. Do you see this? Yeah. Alright, all the tomatoes. Then the rest of the garlic. And we got some ginger in there.
Yeah.
And a bunch of cilantro.
Yeah.
Alright. So yeah, basically we're just stirring everything together. Nothing really to it. Nothing fancy or complicated. That's such a small hole and I made a lot. That's hilarious. I just put it in the head too. We're gonna stuff this hogfish up. Looks messy, but it's gonna taste good.
And the butter.
Okay.
Then a bunch of butter, just all over.
Yeah.
Where's the plates?
Alright,
Take too long, I'm hungry.
Okay.
Mom's just covering it up with more bandage.
I'm gonna take over, wrap it up. This is a really huge hogfish. Yeah. Your brother had cooked. Nice. Cooked in a steam inside with because the fish is wrapped in a banana leaf.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
the fish will be cooked slowly and steamed with this cilantro, ginger, onions, you know, tomato. That's gonna be taste good. Yeah, well, Ma'am Yuni still finishing to wrap it up with aluminum foil.
So we're just gonna put it on the grill now?
It's so big. I don't know if it
I don't think it's gonna fit.
That's fine, that's okay. To feel it all. This is really big hogfish, right? No, we just have to squeeze all this thing there.
That's stripping. Nice. Whoa! All the all the juice is coming out.
Oh, wow.
Oh, all the juice came out. That's alright. Nice. Oh, it smells good. All that juice though.
Never mind.
That's okay.
Good, huh?
Sorry, Mom thought of a solution. Just put a plate under there. Nice.
Yes, good.
It's great, huh? Yeah, it does smell really good.
I can use that juice later.
Just pour it back on the fish later. What's this?
Adobong pusit.
Dobong what?
Pusit.
Ah. I can't see it that well. Ah, there we go.
Mom cut it in the airport.
That's good that we found in like previous videos. 30 minutes?
It's big, yeah?
Ah, true. Alright.
It's good. It's like, it tastes like crab.
Ah.
You know, the hogfish tastes like crab.
Ah. That's it. I haven't eaten hogfish in like forever, so
No,
kind of already forgot.
maybe like 10 years ago, 15 years ago.
Yeah, that's like forever, Mom.
Before John go to college.
Yeah, that's like forever. A long time. Yeah, so here we are, just waiting. It's a nice little beach in the background. Not a lot of people. There's like a couple people that are walking right now.
I'm here.
They are here. Mom's here. Dad, Nora.
All right.
Alright. So that should be done, right?
Nice and
Oh,
nice.
it's hot.
I will see. What's inside?
Yeah.
Oh.
Wow.
Good.
Smells really good.
Wow.
Oh my goodness. It's like steam.
Cooking steam. Wow.
Wow.
Look at that.
Very nice.
Is it beautiful?
Wow, it looks so good.
It's good.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh my God.
Nice.
Tayo nasa...
Yeah.
Amoy, amoy.
Nice. Let's give it a try. Let's see, Mom.
Para tayo.
Mainit yun.
Para, abang.
Wow, look at that.
Nice.
Wow.
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 Lemon? Let's get lemon.
Let's give this a
Oh,
try.
there's already lemon there.
So hot, ah?
Ito pang ano.
Mmm,
Really good.
Sarsaparilla.
really good.
Very good.
Want some lemon on it though.
There's Junjun and Nora. And then,
It's not dry.
oh, it's nice. Very nice.
Oh, very good.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Good.
Wow.
Okay. It's hot, yeah?
My God.
Wow.
It's really good.
Very good. Ang steam,
Delicious.
ha?
Yeah.
Mm.
Binarot sa, ano yun? Banana leaves. Wow.
Oh,
Very delicious. Yummy, yummy. In my tongue.
Nice.
Very good.
sarap.
Very nice.
Pwedeng wala ng
Got the
kanin yan.
stuffings here. Stuffings.
Pero mag-iisip pa rin ako ng kanin.
Nice. Okay.
Very nice. Ang laki, ano?
Wow.
Meron pa
It's
mas
cook and
malaki.
steam, you know,
Tama yung pang
Nice.
with the
called
cilantro.
hogfish.
Really good.
pagfish yan.
With onions and tomatoes inside. Wow. Lemon.
Sarap.
It's very moist. Very tasty.
Yeah, look how like
Look at that.
so
Juicy, yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Juicy. White meat.
Yeah,
White
we're gonna
hogfish.
Naku. Gusto yun ang asawa ko.
Oh, nabigyan mo siya maya.
Oh, wow. Very delicious. Tatanggalin na natin siya.
Ano yung
Leave
dalawa?
it here.
Yeah.
Leave it here.
A little bit yan. May adobong pusit and hogfish.
Wow. Nice.
Nice.
Hindi mawawala yun sa baon.
Hindi ako pwedeng... Kaya ano, hindi na ako pwede tumawa ang ito ng lipstick ko.
Bukat may adobong pusit.
Wow. So there's like a parrotfish right there. I won't get too close. It's probably gonna swim away, but look at it, it's right there. Whoa, that's a wave. Alright, they're gonna give it a try. How is it?
Hmm?
Yeah. Oh, there's
Just
ginger.
taking this home and eating myself.
Lord.
Pero kalahati, wala na natin.
Cool.
Wala na kalahati niya.
I think we're gonna go swimming. I gotta take my shorts off. I gotta take my shorts off.
Ikaw na ba ito?
Okay. Cool. You swam away. 3. It's so cold. No. over there right now, the parrotfish. Wow. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.